Okay, class, so now what we're going to do is we're going to look at various type of information and data, and we are going to determine what type of graphs would best fit that type of information. Okay, so first we're going to look at the continental land area, okay, and Asia takes up 21%, Africa takes up 20%, Europe takes up 16%, North America takes up 15%, South America takes up 12%, Antarctica takes up 10%, and Australia takes up 10%. So that's a lot of numbers, a lot of percentages. Yes, Australia takes up 6%. Thanks for catching my error. So what type of graph would best display that information, Michael?
A circle graph.
A circle graph. Okay, and why would a circle graph best show that?
Because it's got lots of percentages and it makes like a whole little circle.
So it's a whole relationship. So all these places make up the world. Okay, so it's part of a whole. Okay, so now we're going to look at so that's best used as a circle graph. So now let's look at the 2008 presidential candidate email frequency for October 2007. Okay, so Dennis sent out 16 million, John McCain sent out 16 million, Ron Paul sent out 15 million, Matt Huckabee sent out 15 million, John Edwards sent out 15 million, Joe Biden sent out 13 million, Bill Richardson sent out 12 million, Mitt Romney sent out 10 million, Hillary Clinton sent out 8 million, Chris Dodd sent out 7 million, Rudy Giuliani sent out 5 million, Barack Obama sent out 5 million, and Mike Gravel sent out 3 million. That is a lot of numbers to look at and too much to digest. So, what type of graph would best show that information for us, Kayla?
I would say a bar graph because
Okay.
it compares groups of data, and that like you can generalize that the amount of emails they sent out obviously does not matter because Obama won.
Yeah, so Obama won, and he
At the bottom.
was at the bottom of the, he sent out this email like in October 2007. He still ended up winning the presidency.
Yeah.
Correct? Okay, good job. So now let's look at the temperatures in New York City. Okay, so day 1 in New York City, the temperature was 43 degrees Fahrenheit. Day 2, it was 53 degrees Fahrenheit. Day 3, it was 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Day 4 was 57 degrees. Day 5 was 59 degrees. And day 6 was 67 degrees. So, could y'all tell me what graph would best display that information?
A line.
A line graph, okay. And Kayla, can you tell me why a line graph would best describe that?
Because the temperature is doing this, so it's all like on the same
Okay,
line.
so the line graph, you can kind of see what the temperature does.
Yeah.
Okay, good job. Okay, so now what we're going to do is, okay, I want you, since we can use graphs whenever we have, the rest of our lives, we're going to come up with a survey. And on the survey, you're going to come up with your question that you would like to survey people about. So right now, I want you to make up your question on what you're going to ask. Write it down on your paper. And after you write them down, I'm going to ask you to share with the class what you're going to survey.
What?
Rabbits. I'm doing that.
I did it first.
It's okay. Y'all can survey the same people. We can see if the results are the same. It's okay. It's okay. We'll see if the results differ, even though y'all doing the same one. Okay, Michael, can you share with us what you chose?
Let's go first.
I chose what is your favorite pet?
What is your favorite pet, and what are the choices that you're going to give your people you're surveying?
Dog, cat, bird, snake.
Okay, good job. Okay, Kayla, what is your topic?
Well, if someone would cheat off of me, I said, which pet do you prefer? Out of a dog, cat, snake, bird, or rabbit?
Okay, so y'all both have the same survey, correct?
Yes.
Okay, it's okay. Because I think it would be interesting to see what the results are. Okay, Do you think that these results could differ?
Yes.
It depends on who we're giving the survey to.
So it depends on who you're giving the survey to. So let's say if Kayla gives the survey to this set of people, Michael gives the survey to this set of people, the results could be different, correct?
Yeah.
So we could see kind of two different surveys on the same topic. That makes sense.
Yeah.
So y'all both pick good topics, and y'all can both survey a different area of people, and y'all may have the same results or may have different results. Okay? Okay, so this is what I want you to do. I want you to survey one another and walk around the class and survey a couple more people and make a chart. The best chart that would represent that data. So, Kayla, you asked Michael which one's his favorite, and Michael, you asked Kayla which one's her favorite.
Which is your favorite?
Dog, which is your favorite?
Dog. There's just a cat. What more?
They say boys and girls. That's not right.
Sorry.
Okay.
Since you already said dog.
Garbage circle. Okay. Okay, so go ahead. I need you to talk to at least 10 people more if you can.
Okay.
Okay, Michael?
Right now?
Yeah, I mean, just remember y'all just.
Well, I know my sister, my family, I'm gonna put both their dogs because we like dogs. I'll say 3. My mom, my dad, and my sister like dogs. I'll have a rabbit. But I mean, does it count if my grandma likes cats, but only if they're like statues?
Whatever you want. I mean, ask your grandma what she likes.
Okay. She doesn't like live cats.
Okay.
But she
Nice.
likes statues.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so now once you have your data, okay, this data is stuff that you took in class and some that you did last night at home or whatever. Now I need you to make a chart that best describes that information. Okay, keep working. I'll be right back.